Adding Excel data to Looker Studio enables you to create interactive reports and visualizations using your spreadsheets. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Prepare your Excel file. Format your data. Ensure your Excel file has clean and organized data with headers in the first row. Save the file in XLSX or CSV format. Open Looker Studio. Log in. Visit datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Create a report. Click on Create and select Report. Add data source. Add data. Click on Add the data source in the report editor. Choose Google Sheets from the list of connectors. Looker Studio does not support direct Excel uploads but supports Google Sheets. Connect Google Sheets. Upload your Excel file to Google Drive and convert it to Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets and choose the spreadsheet you uploaded. Click Connect. Configure data source. Select data range. Choose the specific sheet and range from your Google Sheets file. Add to report. Click Add to report to include the data source in your Looker Studio report. Create visualizations. Use data. Drag and drop fields from the new data source to create charts, tables, and other visualizations.